So good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please activate your mute your mics. And what we discussing last class? Anybody having idea?
Plan actual commitment and budget.
So we have seen complete reports also, na? Okay, we can see the comparison report so that you can understand. So write it down. Actual budget commitment reports. Actual budget commitment reports. Path SAP menu. Accounting. Controlling. Cost center accounting. Information system. Information system. Cost center accounting. More reports. Actual budget commitment report. Actual budget commitment reports. So give the controlling area, GCOA, fiscal year 2020. Execute. So we have actual postings we done. The finance and sales. We have a what is the actual value. We have a budgeted value. We have a commitment value. Okay, so commitments also you can see here. So for these two cost centers, we posted commitments. So actual value, budget, commitments. Suppose if you if you posted GR for the PO, so this commitments will be converted as a actuals. So let us post a GR for the invoice what we posted. PO is created. So let me check what is the commitment line item. So 30,000 we posted. So this is the P1 number, 22478. So 22478 is the PO. So this 30,000 amount I'm just going to be taken as a GR value. Okay. So let's go to the MyGo. So this commitments I'm converting as a actuals. So 22478. So PO number. And here, so one item, advertisement value only I'm taking. So second item I'm keeping as it is, 1000 quantity. Item okay. Check it and save it. Okay, this is one error. Please note it down this error. Posting only possible in periods 11 and 10. So currently we are in March, Gada. So we are in 12th period. So you have to change it. So anybody remember the T code? How to change period?
Yes, sir.
What is that period? What is the T code?
MMPV, sir.
MMPV, correct. So go to MMPV. Go to MMPV. And give company code ZI01 period 12 fiscal year 2020. Execute. Done. Okay. So this will be moved from commitment to actuals. See here. Because your purchase order is only commitment. Once you do the GR, what happens? This is not the maybe finance cost center. Okay, some error is not posted. Check. Save. So now it's posted. So this commitment will be converted as a actuals. So now commitments become 0 and it is added in the actuals. So actual is a budgeted value. The difference is available budget. Okay. So I think we covered how to post PAN values, how to post budgeted values, how to maintain commitment values, how to post actual values. We covered 4 things. Okay. So today we'll go with the new topic, reposting of line items, reposting of cost. Reposting of line items, reposting of cost. What is this reposting of line items and what is the reposting of cost? So reposting of line items is, so each line item wise cost is going to be transferred. So that's called reposting of line items. Okay. And accumulated cost we are going to be transferred or allocated. That's called reposting of cost. Okay. So what is the major difference means? So first thing is reference of FI document is required. Reference of FI document is required. Reference of FI document is not required. So the first difference is, so without FI document reference, so I cannot do the reposting of line items. But when it comes to reposting of cost, reference of FI document is not required. Okay. So second thing is line item wise cost transfer or cost allocation. So line item wise, each line item wise cost will be transferred, cost will be allocated. So accumulated cost will be transferred or allocated. Accumulated cost will be transferred or allocated. Offsetting account will be will be updated in both sending object and receiving object. Offset account will be updated in sending object, receiving object, both sending object and receiving objects. Offset account will not be updated in both sending and receiving object. Offsetting account will not be updated in both sending and receiving objects. Fourth one is origin of the cost element will be updated in both sending object and receiving object. These are the major differences. So reposting of cost and reposting of line items. Done everyone? Okay, let us post one fresh entry. Then we'll do reposting of. So I'm just creating a new account so that you can understand easily. FS00, company code GI01. Traveling expenses already is there. So we can use this traveling expenses directly. So go to FB 60. So I'm just posting traveling expenses. So traveling expenses. 80,000. So I can say finance cost center, corporate finance cost center. So reposting of line items. Simulate and say. So traveling expenses to vendor account. So now we have values in a corporate finance cost center. Okay, just go to the report KSB1 or KSB1N. Okay, anyone you can take it. So my cost center is corporate finance. And 430-100 is the account number. Traveling expenses. Execute. So 80,000 traveling expenses. We have offset account. Okay. So these values, it's not related to only corporate. So it is belongs to Patancheru. Some of the values it belongs to Balnagar. Some of the values belongs to Guntur. So how do you reallocate it? How do you transfer it? Okay. So write down reposting of line items. So maybe you can write it down this controlling document and FI document for this line item. So finance document number is a 19/27. 19/21 financial document and controlling document number 250501. 250501. Okay, so that's it about. So let's go for reposting of line items. So write down the path SAP menu. Accounting. SAP menu accounting, controlling, cost center accounting, actual postings, repost line items, enter. KB61. So you have to refer the FI document number here. So this is FI document number. So reference of FI document is required. Okay. Please note it down this parameters as it is. Click on execute button. So double click on the line item. So this is existing line item. So here, so this is old assignment. So you already given to finance cost center, but out of this, so 18,000 is belongs to Patan Finance. Patan Finance. ZI01 103010. Click on next item. $25,000. Balnagar Finance. And click on next item. And 14,000. Good Finance. Click on list button and save it. So the reposting is posted. Reposting of line items is done. So this 2 series document number it is taken. So if you see this document, so reposting of line items is done. So come back to the report now, CO report. CO report. So KSB1, we see this report. So the cost center, corporate finance having only 23,000. Okay. So let me add these 3 cost centers now. So Patan Finance, Bhavnagar Finance, Guntur Finance. So here, so Patan Finance Cost Center, so 18,000, and Bhavnagar Finance 25,000, Guntur Finance 14,000. Okay. Your offset account is updated in both the line items. So your sending object it is updating offset account, receiving object is updating offset account. Okay, and is origin of the cost element is traveling expense also it is updated. Okay, so this is where you call it as a reposting of line items. So next you write down reposting of cost heading. Okay, reposting of cost. So let me create one more account, new account, so that you can understand it. FS00 410,100, and we can copy the same 4 lakh wages account and copy. Welfare expenses. And this is converted as a cost element because we kept automatic in a automatic creation of cost element. So this is converted as a cost element, welfare expenses. Okay, save it. So for this account, I'm going to post some entries from FI, GL, go to FB50. Welfare expenses. It's not created. It's not created.
Sir, company code.
Already created. So here IA01 is open. That's what is taken. So it requires a CO object. I'm just giving cost center corporate HR. So note down this. So welfare expenses to cash account. Save it. So 45,000 is posted. Okay, welfare expense of cash account. So business area, profit center, segment. So 45,000, 45,000. This one. Now one more entry I'm going to post through FB60. Through FB60. So this is also I'm giving to corporate HR cost control. So including taxation and just save it. Please note it down this accounting entry. It is posted from FB60. It is posted from FB60. Okay. And next one is one of the entry I'll post from MM also. So one is from GL, one is from AP, and one more entry from MM model, ME21N. I'll create a PO. So 27 lakh 15 is vendor number. So medical insurance to employee. It is asking for GL account 410100. Corporate HR. At invoice level, give tax code Z. So 3,50,000. Save it. So this is a PO number 222479. Okay. And for this video, MyGo. So this is without service master. So 222479. So give delivery note number. So delivery note quantity and item. Okay. Check and save. Check and save. So view the document number. So if you see the document, so note it on the center. So welfare expense to SRR clearing account. And welfare expense to SRR clearing account. Now let's go for Myro now. Sir. So give the document P1 number and tax code. Simulate and save. Simulate and save. So you can see this document. Okay, so we have a 3 different entries triggered from 3 different submodules. One entry from GL, one entry from AP, one entry from MM module. Okay. So now if you see the ledger in CO model, KSB1 now. KSB1 now. Write down this controlling area, HR corporate cost center, and welfare expense account. So this is the total cost, 4,58,000. So one is 45, having a different offset account, and expenses different offset account, that is vendor account. This is SRR clearing account. Okay. So total 4,58,000. So we are doing a reposting of cost. Next is reposting of cost. Path SAP manner. Accounting. Controlling. Cost center accounting. Actual postings. Manual reposting of cost, enter. Manual reposting of cost, enter. KB11. KB, Lebanon. Okay, save it. Now, if you see that report, so this we have only 1 lakh, 1,50,000, 1,25,000. So it doesn't have any offset account. And if you see at so HR cost center, so here, so 1,50,000, 1,25,000, 1 lakh. So now offset account is updated. Okay. And we have not referred any FI document here when I'm doing a reposting of cost. Okay. So this is about reposting of cost and reposting of line items. Okay. So tomorrow we'll talk about distribution and assessment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. SD class I will take it tomorrow. Okay. So I'm just traveling to Hyderabad today. Please excuse me for today also. So I'll take it SD class. One class is pending. I will take it tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.